Hello everyone. Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. My name is Mehta and today we are going to do paper cutting practice in our art and craft class. Let's start our class. So children, do you know what is this? This is scissor. And what does it do? It is used for cutting various thin materials such as paper, cardboard, cloth, rope, and wire. And there are different types of scissors for every particular work. Tailors use this type of scissor, whereas barber uses this thin long scissors. And this scissor is used in kitchen. And this particular scissor in kitchen is used for cutting herbs. And this small scissor is child safe scissor which you can use. First of all, let's learn some scissor safety rules. Your pencil hand is also your scissor hand. The thumb will go through the top hole and your fingers will go through the bottom hole of the scissor. Sit down at one place when you are cutting. Make sure your fingers are not in the way of scissors. Always look carefully at what you are doing. Use your other hand to hold whatever you are cutting. You should cut slowly and should stay on line. Cut in the direction away from your body. When you have finished using scissors, put them away. While passing scissors, close them and hold them by the blades so that the other person can take the handles. I hope you have learned scissor safety rules. Now, let's start our paper cutting practice activity. For this activity, you can use few rough papers or newspapers, one black sketch pen, one scissor, one scale, and one round object. Let's start paper cutting practice. Take one rough paper and draw two slipping lines on it with the help of black sketch pen and scale. Now cut the paper from where the line is drawn. Cut slowly. And stay on line while cutting. See to it that you are cutting properly. Today we are also going to cut shapes like square, rectangle, triangle and circle. A square has 4 sides. They are all of the same length. A rectangle has 4 sides. 2 are long and 2 are short. A triangle has 3 sides. It also has 3 corners. A circle has no sides. It is round. Now we will draw all the 4 shapes one by one. First we will draw square. You can take your parents' help if required. The square is done. Now we will draw rectangle. triangle, and then circle. Take a round object, put it on rough paper and draw out circle with it. Now take the scissor and hold it properly in your pencil hand and hold the paper with other hand. Now cut the square slowly. Turn the paper while cutting. It will make cutting easy for you. And remember all the scissor safety rules while cutting. Now we will cut rectangle. In the same manner, stay on line while cutting. Keep your hand away from the scissor. Now cut triangle also in the same manner. Now we will cut circle. While cutting circle, you need to hold the paper properly and you will have to turn the paper continuously while cutting.
I hope you liked today's activity. Do try at your home, please. Thank you. Bye.